This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to breed Volcano Dragon in Dragon City Easy Guide. Start by selecting 2 dragons that together cover fire and earth elements. Check their levels and compatibility before breeding to reduce failures. Use items or boosts if available to raise odds. Monitor breeding times closely and be ready to place newborns into habitats that match their element for faster growth and happiness. Choose parents with complementary elements and similar levels to maximize your chance for a volcano egg. Look for hybrids that already carry volcano traits as they stack probabilities in your favor. Use breeding boosts or item modifiers when you can to push odds further. Keep experimenting with slight variations of pairings and document successful combos to reproduce them reliably in the future. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help me keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great, practical read if you want smarter money habits while you game. I find it oddly motivating when saving for in-game purchases or planning event gems. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Timing matters a lot when hunting a volcano dragon, so plan your breeding around game events or double breed weekends. Apply any breeding boosts or crystals you have to shorten timers and improve rarity odds. Keep a dedicated habitat ready to move the egg quickly when it hatches. Patience and persistence pay off, so track what combinations work best and repeat them until you get the volcano dragon you want.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.